Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to change birthday on Facebook. First of all, click on profile and now click on edit profile and edit your about information, and here you have to click on contact and basic information, and here we can see birth date and birth year. So I'm clicking on this pencil icon and now I will change my birthday. So I'm giving here 2005 and I'm giving here April and giving here 4. Okay, I confirm that I am 16 years old. Make sure to check this and click on save. And now here we can see my birthday has been changed. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.